And yes, I am back. I am so back. It's me again, honey. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And as promised to you guys, I am going to unbox the iPhone 12 mini. And there you go. I have it here. So let's do the unboxing. I know everyone is very excited. I've been waiting for this day too. I know how cute iPhone 12 mini is. The last time I've showed to you guys my iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's really big, so it's quite heavy. This time it's iPhone 12 mini, very handy, and everyone loves it. Why? Because of how it looks. Let me show you how it looks like. So, oh my gosh, what's wrong? Okay, you can hear the noise, right? And ta-da! Okay, let's take a closer look. It's a black color. It's really adorable. And of course, it's small, handy. Wait, let's check. I'm going to hold it. Okay, there. It's really fit on my hand size. I am, my hands are really small, so this phone really suits me well. If you are the person who loves a very handy, very powerful, and of course, a very good phone, this phone is the right phone for you. Okay, wait. Let's check the back side of the phone. The camera. Okay, we have two cameras there. My iPhone 12 Pro Max, of course, it has three cameras. And look at the size, guys. Let's just try to compare the size because you might wonder how small it is. Okay, and check out my hand size. iPhone 12 Pro Max is really big. Okay, and of course the display is big. iPhone 12 mini, the display is smaller, and it has two cameras at the back. With the iPhone 12, we have iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 itself, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini, they both have two cameras. But the question there is, what's the difference between the both of them? So what's the difference between iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini? Just the display and the battery life. Only that. But other specs and of course the camera, it's the same. So I really wanted to use this one too because it's very cute, very handy. I can do a lot of things. The camera is also good. iPhone 12 series, they all have the same front camera. Okay, not the back camera. Of course, they have differences there. And let's proceed to what's inside the box. Of course, the cell phone itself here and the charging cable, the same as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's USB Type-C cable charger. And do you remember in my last video I told you that we also have a sticker, but it's smaller than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 12 mini sticker. And wait, I have here my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me see. Wait. Please wait for a while, guys. Okay. And ta-da! Wow! Yes, it's smaller. Okay, this is for the iPhone 12 mini and this is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And yes, let's put it back. And of course, let's not forget, we also have our ejector. Okay. Of course, we always have it inside the box. And of course, let's not forget, we're going to open it and try to turn it on. And alright, it's here. And we'll turn it on. There it is! I want to use it soon. So that would be it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe like I always mention. And more videos to come, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again, guys, soon. Bye-bye.